Join me as I put the DJI Neo 2 to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype. Let's find out what happens next. The DJI Neo 2 is a highly advanced drone that has taken the tech world by storm, boasting incredible features like 8K video resolution, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a whopping 30-minute flight time, making it a favorite among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Many users have reported issues with the DJI Neo 2's battery life, stating that it often falls short of the advertised 30 minutes, which can be frustrating when you're in the middle of a critical shoot. This discrepancy has raised concerns about the drone's overall reliability and performance. Some have even reported experiencing unexpected shutdowns mid-flight, which can be a major safety concern. The DJI Neo 2's advanced features are also highly dependent on its complex software, which can be prone to glitches and errors. The DJI Neo 2's high-speed mode has also been known to cause problems, with some users reporting loss of control or erratic behavior when flying at high speeds. These issues can be particularly problematic for users who rely on the drone for professional purposes, such as aerial photography or videography. The drone's advanced features, while impressive, can also be overwhelming for new users, leading to a steep learning curve and potentially dangerous operating errors. Many experts have weighed in on the DJI Neo 2's issues, citing problems with the drone's design and manufacturing process. For instance, some have pointed out that the drone's battery is not as efficient as claimed, leading to shorter flight times and more frequent recharging. Others have noted that the drone's software can be buggy and prone to crashes, which can cause the drone to malfunction or even crash. Real-life examples of the DJI Neo 2's issues are plentiful, with many users taking to social media to share their experiences. One user reported that their DJI Neo 2 drone crashed into a tree due to a malfunction, causing significant damage and disruption to their shoot. Another user shared their frustration with the drone's battery life, stating that it would often die mid-flight, leaving them with incomplete footage and wasted time. The DJI Neo 2's problems don't just stop at technical issues, they can also have serious consequences for users. For example, a malfunctioning drone can cause damage to property or even injure people, which can lead to costly lawsuits and reputational damage. Furthermore, the drone's advanced features can also raise privacy concerns, as they can be used to capture sensitive information or footage without consent. But what's even more shocking is that some users have reported experiencing a complete loss of control over their DJI Neo 2 drone, with the device flying away uncontrollably and even crashing into other objects. This has raised serious concerns about the drone's safety and reliability, and has led some to question whether the DJI Neo 2 is truly worth the investment. In one particularly alarming incident, a user reported that their DJI Neo 2 drone flew away and crashed into a nearby lake, resulting in significant damage and loss of footage. The most shocking outcome of all, however, is that the DJI Neo 2's issues may not be just limited to technical problems, they may also be a result of a larger design flaw. Some experts have suggested that the drone's advanced features and complex software may be inherently unstable, leading to the various malfunctions and errors that users have reported. This has significant implications for users, as it means that even with proper maintenance and operation, the DJI Neo 2 may still be prone to unexpected failures and crashes. Another disturbing revelation is that the DJI Neo 2's problems may be more widespread than initially thought. Many users have reported experiencing similar issues, from battery life problems to complete loss of control, leading some to speculate that the drone's design and manufacturing process may be fundamentally flawed. This has led to a growing sense of unease among DJI Neo 2 owners, who are beginning to wonder if their investment was worth the risk. In conclusion, the DJI Neo 2's issues are a significant concern for users, and it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved with operating this drone. From technical problems to design flaws, the DJI Neo 2's problems can have serious consequences for users, and it's crucial to approach its use with caution and careful consideration. If you've had any experiences with the DJI Neo 2, be sure to share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech insights and reviews.